So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sum a column in Google Sheets. To do this is pretty simple. So here you want to sum this sales number 2. So it's pretty simple. Just follow this. The name box, it says D1 to D12. So here all you have to do goes to formula and then press equals and then sum, and then we'll have to do parenthesis, and our first value like a while ago it was D1. So D1 and then colon up to D12. So there you go. Now it's just totaled. So if you want to do it from left to right, you can do so by copying this, Control C, and then Control V, or Command C, Command V if you're using Macs. And then here, all you have to do is change your values, which is pretty simple. So here, let's just change our value to C1, and then again D1, and now you have just computed this one right here. So it's not computing it because it's in C2 and D2. Now it's total. So there you go guys. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.